I'm Jorge. I'm from Peru. I'm 25 years old. I came to study Barcelona master's degree in supply chain management and operations. Right now I'm studying in Zaragoza just for this week.
My name is Juliana. I'm from Colombia and I decided to do the master in operation and supply chain management.
Well, first to have the opportunity to study firsthand with professors that are also part of the MIT Scale network in Zaragoza Logistics Center. So I think the opportunity is great. I would like to keep learning more about supply chain and these courses that they are taking here to have the chance to apply it in a future career.
I studied industrial engineer and I want to enhance my knowledge in those fields, find different opportunities. I want to study abroad, so I found Spain a really interesting country with a lot of opportunities. So yeah, I decided to come to Madrid, not only for the language, also for all that this city can bring me.
Well, first I would like to stay here in Spain to have a job here, so looking for job opportunities regarding supply chain, well, more specifically to planning procurement, which I'm motivated to start working here.